can respawn there, maybe. Then should I go down? I guess so, I guess so. Huh. Interesting. Let's connect here. If he goes there, I guess I will go there. You can take those, I won't care. I think my stones are fine. And can I push here now? Not sure. Okay.
Seconds.
So now maybe I can pull this stone out. Maybe I can make some point there. That would be... Ah, shoot! Oh no! What did I just did? Come on, guy. Ah! No! No! No, no, no! I'm pissed. Ah! Ah! You're gonna die somewhere, man. I can't let you get away.